Are you looking for a fun and exciting way to spend a day out with friends or family? Look no further than go-karting. It's an activity that's been gaining popularity in recent years, but many people are curious about the cost. So, in this video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide on how much go-karting costs, factors that affect the price, and how to save money while enjoying this thrilling sport. Firstly, let's discuss the factors that affect the price of go-karting. The cost of go-karting can vary depending on the location, track type, time of day, and kart type. For example, tracks located in urban areas tend to be more expensive than those in rural areas. Indoor tracks also tend to be pricier than outdoor tracks. The time of day and kart type also affect the cost. On average, you can expect to pay between £20 to £40 per person for a standard 10-minute session. However, many tracks offer group packages that can help you save money. And if you're a beginner, most tracks offer introductory packages that include a brief training session and a set number of laps. Now, if you're looking to save money while go-karting, there are several ways to do so. You can look for deals, opt for group bookings, go during off-peak times, and even bring your own equipment. Go-karting is a fun and thrilling activity that's worth trying. The cost can vary depending on the factors we discussed, but there are ways to save money without compromising on the experience. So, gather some friends, head to your local go-karting track, and experience the adrenaline rush of this exciting sport for yourself.